In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cells in Google Sheets. Whether you're tidying up your data or just starting fresh, clearing cells can be a helpful tool. Let's dive into the simple steps to get this done smoothly. First, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. You can do this by either creating a new sheet or by accessing an existing one through Google Drive. Once your sheet is open and ready, the next step is to select the cell you wish to clear. Click directly on the cell that contains the data you want to remove. It's as simple as that, just a single click. Now, with the cell highlighted, press the backspace key on your keyboard. This action will clear the content of the selected cell, leaving it empty and ready for new data. If you're working on a larger dataset or need to clear multiple cells, there's a straightforward way to handle that too. To clear an entire column, like column A for instance, click and hold your mouse button at the top cell. Then, drag the mouse pointer down to include all the cells you want to highlight. Once all the necessary cells are selected, you can press the backspace key. This will clear the contents of the entire selection in one swift move. For those cells in column B, click on the first cell in column B. Once selected, go ahead and press the delete key on your keyboard. This key is an alternative way to clear contents, similar to the backspace key, offering you another method to achieve the same result. Should you need to clear more cells, such as all the cells in a different column like column B, simply repeat the process. Highlight the cells by clicking and dragging with the mouse, and then press the delete key. This will take care of clearing all the data from the selected cells in that column. Continuing with column C, highlight the necessary cells by dragging your mouse from the top of the column down. Next, move to the top menu of your Google Sheet and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu that appears, scroll down to find Values. Clicking on Values ensures that you've selected to clear only the cell values, leaving other attributes like formatting intact if that's what you prefer. This option gives you more precision and control over the clearing process. With these steps, you now have a comprehensive understanding of how to clear cells in Google Sheets. Each method, whether through quick keystrokes or menu navigation, offers its own advantages depending on your specific needs. Go ahead and give it a try, and you'll find managing your spreadsheets becomes an even more efficient task. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.